update. That's after sitting in the car park all night. We got a light on, because the door's open. Give the door a close. And of course now you've got to wait 30 seconds. But, they're all on. There's only 3. They're the 4 standard factory fit ones. And after 30 seconds, they do go out. And then I looked, there's no glowing. I altered that door switch, right? I was well chuffed with myself. But then I turned round and had a look at the back two. And it's moved. And now the middle one's glowing. As you can see, it's flickering in and out. The back one's totally out. But the middle one's just flickering in and out. Why has it moved it to the second in the line? It's still going out with the door opening and closing after turning that switch all the way out. Let's open the door and I'll show you where it is. That's the catcher plate, and then it's just below it. And as you can see, look, there's clean there. I've screwed it out as though it comes out a bit more. I don't know. Still bloody lost, but the battery didn't go flat. Yeah, the battery didn't go flat. Stand back in amazement. Right, another update. If I can focus in on it. Let's come down a tad. If I can find it again, there it is. 12.3. That at the moment is running on the solar. The solar's charging that. I've run a wire from the leisure battery and put a switch in line, so I can turn that on, and the solar is charging the leisure batteries and the van battery at the same time. And now when I go in the house, I'll turn it off as though it's not drawing on the leisure overnight, so the solar can charge up during the daytime. Don't always turn it back on. Solar at the moment, well, we got 1.5 amps going in there at the moment. Battery's fully charged, considering the last 2.5 hours I've had the inverter on with the soldering iron, so that hasn't hurt the batteries there. What I've done is I've put a switch, right, I've disconnected the door button switch. Well, I don't say as I disconnected it. I'll put a diagram down. I've pulled the switch out, cut one of the cables, and then wired 3-core cable, well, three wires to this switch. It's a double throw, double pole. Right. Those are the LED lights. As you can see, there's no glow in that one whatsoever. Right. Now they're totally isolated from the van now. Right, on that switch. But for some reason, this one has started to glow and flash. Right. You know, sometimes it flashes when I move the van, but I think it's just a coincidence, because that one's not on. It never flashes. She's not on. That one's not on. Right, so I'm still at a loss. Right now, if I open the door, they still don't come on. Right, is what I've done is with the switch. I don't know whether you can see. It's number one is permanently on, center is permanently off, and the bottom one is for when the door opens and closes. Now I've turned the door on, they've come on. Had I have not done that and shut the door, I've shut the door, right, they will, after 30 seconds, this is where the time's lost, is waiting for this to come on and off. They should go off any second. Any second. There they go. See, they're soft off. They go off slowly, but that one is still glowing. All the rest are off. Now I've turned the switch to off, so it doesn't matter now. If I open the doors, the lights don't come on. So I can leave the door open now without the lights being on, and it's half an hour, 30 minutes. And when the doors been opened, they'll stay on for 30 minutes before they turn themselves off. So at least I haven't got to worry about that anymore. Right, still haven't got the clue if anybody knows anything, you know, so you for transit buffs, as to reason why there'd be feedback on that one. I just can't work him out. You know, it started off with that one glowing at the front, but now it's the middle one that's glowing. The back one's not. I've never seen nothing off that one. So, but I think if I open this door, the back door, yeah, they still come on and off. So now it'll take 30 seconds now before they go off. But I don't sit with the back doors open. I always sit with the front sliding door open. I'm not going to go through the rigmarole and put in another switch down the other end. Right. Yeah. Yeah. The sun's come out. And we got, if I can get the glare off it. We got, oh, it was 2.8 then, but 2.5. Of course you can't, little slight bits of cloud going past the sun. Yeah, 1.8. Yeah, that's what it's averaging at the moment, is 1.5, 1.8. And it averages about between 1 and 5 on a cloudy day. Right, cheers, let me know in the comments.